never get anywhere at that pace, old turtle, he would say, dashing past Terra in a blur of fur and laughter. But Terra never let Finn's teasing bother him. He knew that life was not a race, and there was no point in hurrying. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest far away, there lived a wise old turtle named Terra. Terra had been a resident of the forest for longer than anyone could remember, and over the years, he gained a reputation for his slow but thoughtful ways. While the other animals rushed through life, always in a hurry, Terra was different. He moved his own pace, taking time to appreciate the beauty of the world around him. The forest was a magical place, with tall trees that reached the sky, colorful flowers that bloomed year-round, and a sparkling river that ran through the heart of it all. The animals in the forest diverse. There were deer, birds, squirrels, and even a mischievous hare named Finn, who was known for his speed and quick wit. Finn had always mocked Terra for being slow. "You'll never get anywhere at that pace, old turtle," he would say, dashing past Terra in a blur of fur and laughter. But Terra never let Finn's teasing bother him. He knew that life was not a race, and there was no point in hurrying. One bright morning, as the sun cast golden rays through the trees, an announcement was made in the forest. The king of the forest, a majestic lion named Leo, had declared a great race to be held in a week's time. The race would take place along the forest's longest trail, winding through rivers, hills, and woods. The winner would receive a grand prize, an enchanted fruit that granted one wish to whoever ate it. Finn was ecstatic. "This race is mine," he boasted to everyone who would listen. "Who could possibly beat me? I'm the fastest in the entire forest." The other animals murmured in agreement. Finn had always been quick on his feet, and it seemed impossible that anyone could outrun him. But then, to everyone's surprise, Terra stepped forward. "I will join the race as well," he said in his slow, measured voice. The forest fell silent. Finn burst into laughter. "You race against me? This will be the easiest win of my life. You'll still be at the starting line when I've already crossed the finish." But Terra was unfazed. He simply nodded and said, "We'll see." The day of the race arrived, and animals from all over the forest gathered to watch. The starting line was marked near a large oak tree, and the trail stretched far beyond sight, winding through the forest in a challenging course. Finn stretched his legs, already thinking about the wish he would make when he won. When the race began, Finn shot off like a lightning bolt. His paws barely touching the ground as he sped down the trail. Terra, on the other hand, moved slowly and steadily, placing one foot in front of other. His eyes focused on the path ahead. As Finn raced ahead, he couldn't resist the temptation to show off. He ran circles around the animals, taunting them with his speed, and even stopped for a quick nap under a shady tree, confident that Terra was miles away. Meanwhile, Terra continued his slow and steady journey. He moved through the forest with purpose, taking short breaks to sip from the river and admire the beauty of the world around him. Along the way, he met animals who cheered on him, not because they believed he would win, but because they admired his persistence. Hours passed, and the sun began to set. Finn finally woke from his nap and realized that it was getting late. I'd better finish this race, he thought, shaking off his drowsiness. He sprinted toward the finish line, imagining the cheering crowd waiting for him. But when Finn arrived at the final stretch, he saw something that shocked him. There, crossing the finish line, was Terra, moving at his same slow, steady pace. The forest erupted in cheers as Terra took his final step across the line. Finn, panting and wide-eyed, couldn't believe it. How did you beat me? He stammered. Terra smiled gently. It's not always the fastest who wins, Finn. Sometimes it's the one who keeps going no matter how slow. As the crowd gathered around Terra, Leo, the lion, approached with the enchanted fruit. Well done, Terra, he said. You've won the race fairly. Now make your wish. Terra thought for a moment and said, My wish is for everyone in the forest to learn that patience and perseverance are just as important as speed. With that, the enchanted fruit disappeared in a burst of light, and a sense of peace and understanding spread through the forest. Finn, humbled by the experience, approached Terra and apologized for his arrogance. From that day on, Finn no longer teased the other animals for being slow. Instead, he became a friend to Terra and learned to appreciate the wisdom of taking life one step at a time. And so, in the peaceful forest, the animals continued to live happily, knowing that the greatest victories come not from rushing through life, but from moving forward with patience and purpose. Moral of the story: patience and perseverance are just as important as speed. It teaches that slow and steady progress combined with determination often leads to success, while overconfidence and rushing through life may lead to missed opportunities. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more interesting videos.